Virgin Mary. As the mystical rose, a symbol of purity, beauty, wholeness, and God's grace. Let us welcome Alexandra Claire Doctora, Associate Vice Court, John Kyle Ahid. Palakpakan natin!
Alexandra Claire Doctora is a daughter of Marie Chris Doctora. So with her escort, Kyle Ahig,
The son,
the son of Mr. and Mrs.
Soplo Ahid Senior.
Okay. Reina de las Flores, representing the beauty of creation and the devotion of the faithful who offers flowers to Mary throughout the month of May. Let's all welcome
Maria Zoe Irene Turcal,
accompanied by her escort,
Joel Andre Piracho,
Maria Zoe Irene Torcal, as a daughter of Kenneth and Richie Torcal, and her escort, Jerry Andre Perocho, Mr. and Mrs. Gerald and Jeremy Perocho.
Reina Caridad, or the Queen of Charity, representing the settlers of love, kindness, and compassion, and generosity. Let us welcome Shaina and Julie R. Cornelius, accompanied by her escort, John Sander Villanueva.
Saina Yun Jolie Torrivillas is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joel and Yonili Torrivillas. And her escort, Sander Villanueva, a daughter of
Maria Anate Gahisan. Palakpakan natin.
Please give them a round of applause. Reina de los Angeles, representing Mary as Queen of Angels and symbolizing heavenly protection and divine guidance. Let us welcome Tatiana,
Janet E. Sorita,
accompanied by her escort,
John Skyler Villanueva,
Tatiana G. Surita is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. John Paul and Janice Surita, and her escort, John Skyler Villanueva, is the son of
Maria
Maria
Anate
Anate
Gahisan. Reina Esperanza, the Queen of Hope, representing trust in God's promises, perseverance, and confidence in His mercy. Let us welcome Cyril A. Maquinano, accompanied by her escort, Cyrus John Gonzalez.
Cyril E. Maquinano is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Walter and Chacha Maquinano. So with her escort, Cyrus John Gonzalez, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Jose and Lobrina Gonzalez. Palakpakan naman dyan! Reina Emperatriz. It means increased queen. Representing Mary's royal dignity as Queen of Heaven and Earth. Let us all welcome
Juliana B. Omandam,
accompanied by her cousin Rico
Jill B.
Najal.
Ibada. Palakpakan natin.
Juliana B. Umanda is the daughter of Mary Ann Bacasno, and Rico Najal Ligada is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ligada.
Rose, please stand up. Stand up. Tayo tayo lahat, tayo. All candidates, tayo. Tayo.
Candidates only, please stand.
Reina Elena is a queen or Lulina. Our final rose in honor sa gala is a Reina Elena, representing
Saint Helena, whose the discovery of the true cross symbolizes unwavering faith and devotion.
Let us welcome Ruya
Micaela
O. Gorgeous.
accompanied by Constantine Escort,
Yuki K. Zoe Torcal.
Roya Micaela Borgios is the daughter of Marites and late Roy Borgios. And our Constantine or Constantino, Yuki Zoe Total, is the son of Kenneth Total and Jesus. Let us greet all our participants a warm of applause.
Yay! Congrats!